How to activate your Target RedCard. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can activate Target RedCard or the Circle card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up a Google in your device and in the search bar, search for Target. Navigate to the first link on your interface. So once you're here, make sure to sign in into your account. Tap on the profile icon and then sign in into your Target account. So once you're signed in from the dashboard, you could head over to the option as activate your card, and then you have to enter your card information, then follow the instructions. Once you're done with providing your instructions, you are done and then your card will be activated soon. If you want to activate by phone by calling a number, then you have to make a call to Target customer service. If you don't have a number, navigate to the search bar, then you could search for a Target customer service number. Then you could make a call to this number right here. Then you could follow the voice prompt and make sure that you have your RedCard number and your SSN ready and provide whenever required. And with that, your card will also be activated instantly. So that's it. That's how you can activate your Target RedCard, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.